Hey, how you doing? So today I'm gonna be diving into the review of Logan Sky's finance dropshipping course. So if you've been looking into dropshipping, all right, and you come across Logan Sky's course, then you might be wondering, is it worth it? Okay, that's exactly what we're gonna be finding out in this video. I'm gonna break down the course and its content and pricing and whether it actually delivers on its promise. Okay, so now in case you don't know Logan, I'm sure that everyone knows Logan, but not everyone though. But Logan Skies is a finance YouTuber who is gained a huge following by teaching teenagers and young adults how to make money online. Okay, so often with little to no startup capital. So he's promised to teach you how you can make money online with little or no capital. All right, so his YouTube channel has over 255,000 subscribers as at the time of creating this video, and he's now offering courses including this one on dropshipping. Okay, although this page is all about his get a free AI build Shopify store in less than 2 minutes, but the moment you join his course, like his email list and all that, you'll be upsell on his dropshipping course. All right, so actually his course breaks down 9 modules, which is step-by-step guide to make $10,000 per month, which is the big claim of the course. And he also promised to help you to find winning products, how to choose the right products to sell. And talking about low tickets, high tickets, and digital dropshipping, that's also what it talks about, like different types of dropshipping models that you can actually implement. And he also promised to teach you how to do dropshipping with $0. So it's a kind of controversial claim, okay, which we're going to discuss later. And building a dropshipping store with Shopify. As you know, he has this Shopify method of doing dropshipping, and he's gonna teach you how you can set up your store and also how you can advertise your store, either paid or organic, which are marketing strategies. And he also teaches, promise to teach you the Logan secret dropshipping tips, which are additional insights from Logan, and truth of dropshipping that no one tells you, a reality check, and additional content and resources, which are extra materials. Okay, so all these things I've been able to gather them online. Now, as you know that my reviews are mostly research based, whereby I go online, make research about a particular topic or course or software or whatever it is. I go to my paid communities and private forums that I belong to, ask questions from people, and I come here to give you my honest thoughts and information, legitimate information about that program. So I'm not an affiliate for any of those guys. If I am an affiliate, I'm gonna let you guys know. So this, I am not an affiliate. So at first glance, it seems like a solid foundation for beginners, but let's dig deeper into this. All right, so its cost actually cost around, from my research, it's cost $50, which is a one-time payment, so there's no subscription or upsell, which is a plus. And also Logan also offers a refund policy. Okay, if you apply everything it teaches and you still don't get a result after a year, then you can request for a refund. However, proving that you followed all the steps could be tricky. Okay, so those are the things about his program. Okay, so let me talk about the pros and cons about the program, which I see, and possibly we round it up. All right, now talking about the positive aspect, this course is beginner friendly. Okay, there is no prior expert experience that is needed, and he also promised to put you through the step-by-step guide, so like help you to set up a Shopify store from the scratch. Okay, and it is affordable because it is $50. It is also much cheaper than most dropshipping courses. Okay, and also there is no recurring fees unlike other programs that charge monthly. Okay, looking at some downsides about this, the first thing is the $10,000 per month claim. So it's not everybody that will reach this goal, especially for beginners. So you need to know that, because a whole lot of people are always this it's good to be optimistic, but when you overestimate and look everything, the $10,000 a month is not just easy. So it's not everyone that is gonna reach that goal, even though you're paying $50 to start. And also dropshipping with $0 might be misleading, because even though organic traffic strategies exist, most successful dropshippers, they invest in paid ads. So that is the fact. Although some dropshippers do talk about using TikTok, organic method of TikTok and all that, but for real, you still need to run paid ads to actually make a whole lot of money from dropshipping, except if you want to do it the long term way, whereby you want to start growing your audience little by little. Then from there, well, good, you can make money just using organic. But if you're getting started and you want to make quick easy gain, okay, if it's about $10,000 per month within a year, then you need to go as high as doing paid ads. All right, and from my research also, some people said there is lack of advanced training, that like there is no deep dive into market research, scaling, or alternative platforms beyond Shopify. So almost everything that Logan teaches is all about Shopify. Okay, so there is no other alternative that is being taught, and there is limited real world success stories. Okay, so since the course is new, there aren't many testimonials from actual students yet. So my research is just limited to a few people, for now. All right. So those are the things that I see about this program. So although there are several dropshipping courses out there, also like Ecom Helite by Franklin Hatchett and Anton Crayley's dropshipping lifestyle and several other ones. But Logan Sky's course is still budget friendly and it's very good for beginners. Okay, so but it may not be enough if you're looking for in-depth strategies. Okay, but it's still okay because of $50 for $50, it's still worth it. All right. So in case you ask me, okay, if you are asking if Logan Sky dropshipping course is worth it, well, if you're just starting out and you want a simple, affordable guide to Shopify dropshipping, then this course is a decent introduction. Okay, but however, if you're looking for in-depth strategies, advanced scaling techniques, and long-term business success, then you might outgrow this course quickly. Okay, so at the end of the day, dropshipping isn't a guaranteed path to $10,000 a month. So it takes time, effort, and often some initial investment before you make a whole lot of money like that per month. Okay, so that is what I have to say regarding this program by Logan. But for real, this guy has tried. I mean, he has provided a whole lot of value, so it's worth it also to learn from him and possibly be able to learn one or two things as a beginner from him. But if you're an advanced fellow, you might not really see something with this. Now, let me know what you think. Have you taken Logan Sky's course or another dropshipping course before? You can drop your comment below with your thought. And also, if you're looking for a reliable way to make money online aside e-commerce or dropshipping, check out the link in the video description. I have a recommendation there. It is not a get rich quick type of business. It takes effort also, but it's worth it. Okay, and it's something that you can do, and possibly you also make money even with zero capital. You can start that for free. Thank you. If you find this video review helpful, smash that like button, okay, and also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for more real and honest course reviews just like this. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.